morning.
It is Saturday. We are going to Volcano Bay today. We forgot to end the vlog last night because we were tired and wanted to shower and completely forgot. So we're just going to Centertown now for some breakfast. Volcano Bay doesn't open until 10 and it's like 20 past 8. So we're going to get some breakfast, show you what we get, and then off to Volcano Bay. So we come to Centertown for breakfast. I got Mickey waffles. Shawnee got the bounty platter. We've got apple juice. Yum yum yum. So we're just done with breakfast. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, it was great. It was better than last time.
The Mickey waffles were nicer this time than the first time.
Crispy as.
Yeah, they were really good. So we're stuffed. And now we're off to Volcano Bay.
It's gonna float around like
in the crazy river.
Yeah.
I'm factor 50'd all day. There's no burnies. Got a slightly red nose and a little bit of a red forehead, slightly, but we're not burnt. Sean's got one red shoulder, but it's not burnt. It just feels.
It's where the backpack would rub.
Like yeah, where it's been rubbing. But yeah, off to Volcano Bay.
There's so many people in there, I think. Yeah. It's good, wasn't it?
So what did we get, Shawnee?
I got, what was it called? Chocolate devotion from Cold Stone Creamery.
So chocolate ice cream with chocolate sauce, fudge.
Brownie pieces.
Yeah, fudge brownie pieces and chocolate chips.
So what have we decided since last time we spoke?
We're gonna go to Banana Cabana, the cocktail bar, and get some little nibbly bits and a couple of cocktails, aren't we?
Yes.
Just have a bit of a chill. We're gonna get the bus down to Disney Springs.
Yep.
Do a bit of pin trading, have a wander around, see if there's anything you want to buy, and then we're gonna go to Blaze.
And you've got your nice outfit on, haven't you? You dressed all fancy.
Oh, quite nice.
You don't have to tell them that. But yeah, we're gonna get some nibbles, aren't we?
Yep.
So we're in Banana Cabana. And you've got some cocktails, we're waiting on some light fries, aren't we? So what have you got? Hoist the colours. Yep. And then sea salt and watermelon. Yeah, it's really, really refreshing. Yeah. Yeah, so they're going to come over, we'll show them in a second. But we're just chilling here, aren't we, before we go to Disney Springs. It's a great atmosphere. And they do all the menu from Sebastian's, but obviously outside.
So our sweet potato, loaded fries have come out in there. We've got jerk chicken topped.
This smells like ham
They
sandwiches.
smell good, don't they? We'll have a taste.
So what do we have here?
So that's extra type of lagoon.
Because it was the last one and we've only ever seen him like that one time.
Yeah.
There you
And then we got another mystery bag.
go. Mystery bag.
Because we've got 2 pins to trade.
This is hidden Mickey one, isn't it?
What is it?
That was cool.
We'll look at.
Is it a Mickey?
No.
Is it even
Can't
better?
get rid of him.
Oh, a little jumbo.
A jumbo.
Oh, he's adorable, isn't he?
You have to keep him.
Oh, okay.
We'll have to find out what that one is. That was a good one.
Yeah. He's cute, isn't he?
Yeah.
You're picking everything, aren't you?
Yeah.
You can spend all your money in there.
Christmas, don't I? We have, how big's our Christmas tree?
8 foot? Yep. You like that one with the castle on top, don't you, as well? I think you've seen the one that you like, don't, haven't you, though? No, you like them?
Amazing.
Are they meant to be like Small World?
I don't know. Art contemporary.
Ah. Did you refrain?
Yeah, well, we haven't been to Magic Kingdom yet, have we? So
Yeah.
we normally like to get one from Magic Kingdom.
It's
We've seen a few that we like, and obviously if we don't, it's not in Magic Kingdom, we'll just come back and buy it.
it's a lot better than it was last year in there, wasn't it?
Yeah, last year it was a bit tacky and like cheap looking, and this year I just want everything. So.
We're gonna go and spend some snack credits in here later, aren't we?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. It smells good.
Ask the crate is open again.
Hey?
Ask the crate is open again.
Never see it open? I don't know if you'll be able to see on the... because the sun's right there.
It's really cool, isn't it?
Yeah. Someone's in an amphibia car. Amphibia car. We'll have to do that one time.
At the table can do that.
Yeah. Heading for tea now. Where are we going? Yeah, we are. Get some delicious pizza. No, that's great. Thank you. Can I get bacon, chicken? Is it salami? Ham. Could I just get ham on it as well, please? Ham as well, please. What's the little... is that like sausage? Oh, sorry. Oh, Italian. Can I get Italian sausage as well, please? Oh, thank you, man. Italian sausage, yes, please. I got a Floridian. Yeah. And you got Coors. And we're just waiting on the pizza now, aren't we? Yeah. There's the pizzas. We'll talk about them afterwards because it's a bit manic in here, isn't it? Did you just eat all that pizza?
I did.
Like,
Sean was disappointed because he was expecting leftovers, and
that's the only reason we go to Blaze. He said that we had leftovers for my breakfast.
it was too good to leave.
Yeah, with ranch on top. That's what you got, didn't you?
I had Italian sausage, meatballs, and pepperoni with ranch dressed on the top.
I think it's the best value, isn't it? Like,
Yeah, for the quick service dining credit. It is.
not money-wise, but like
No.
food, what you actually get wise.
We both got beer for the drink, and it should have been $30-something for all of it, and then obviously it's free.
It was really nice though, wasn't it?
Where have we come, Shani?
So
Chelsea's decided that we're having a late night excursion to Magic Kingdom, so we're currently at Polynesian.
10 to 9, isn't it?
Because there's no buses direct, so
From Disney Springs.
it's a premature look at the Polynesian on the way to...
Magic Kingdom.
Yes.
Woo woo! Monorail. King of the monorail.
King of the monorail. Did you like that?
Happily ever after.
Can you talk?
Please enjoy the rest of your evening here at Magic.
So, you got some sorts of Magic Kingdom cards, didn't you?
Yeah.
Which we started collecting last time. And you're going to try and open them, aren't you?
Our honeymoon.
Yeah. Let's have a look. What have you
Oh,
got?
we've got him.
Pumba. That's a tradie one. That's a new one.
We've got that one.
Yeah, that is a new one.
I don't think we've got this one.
No, I don't think so.
I think we've got Trident.
Maybe.
And we've got him as well.
Do we?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello, Shani.
Hello.
What have we been on?
We just went on Jungle Cruise, then Pirates.
Yes.
It was very good.
We've got a fast pass for Haunted Mansion, haven't we?
Yes.
We're gonna go see if we can ride the carousel.
The guy, what's it called? Captain of the boat, I think he was quite funny.
Yeah, the skipper, he was really funny.